We're here in a rental house, and the landlord wants to make it to where whenever the light is turned on, it also forces the fan to come on, because they're not turning the fan on when they take a shower, and it's messing up the room. So basically we're going to make it to where the power still goes to this switch when this switch is turned on, and we'll show you how to do that. So we had to see how this thing is wired. Looks like the wire that's coming in hot originally is this one, and then they're kind of giving that power here, and then when the switch is on you get power here and here. But we're taking this switch out and keeping this one, so the hot's already coming in the right spot, we're good. And then all we got to do is take this wire that receives the hot and just kind of partner it up down here and get rid of everything else. So when this light comes on, power's in, and then it goes both to this wire and this wire. Midway through here, just want to do a double check. Turn this light on, light comes on, off. So I know that's the hot coming in, and that's where it connects it. And then this is basically what needs power to turn the fan on at the same time. So we'll just hook that together and we should be good to go. Quick check. Smells good. Gotta get a new plate, but in the meantime, this will do. We're good to go.